Southwest Center Mall is still open, but you can see how empty the parking lot is. Well, on Tuesday, there will be construction vehicles here with the hope that a Starbucks will be the first step toward revitalization. This is the vision for Redbird Mall, an old name but a new development, complete with a park, restaurants, residential and office space, all riding on the shoulders of a Starbucks.
The challenge of this development is about shifting the mindset.
It's something that you see grow, you see opportunities coming. We've been waiting a long time for dirt to be moving.
We want to bring it back to the spirit and the quality level that it once was.
And the groundbreaking ceremony for Starbucks will be on Tuesday. It should open in mid-May, but we're told it will be many years until the full plans come to fruition.
Hey guys, it's RJ, and today we will be looking at the Southwest Center Mall, formerly known as Redbird Mall. This mall is located in South Dallas and was opened in 1975, and since then has been the only major shopping center in South Dallas. While the mall is currently about 80% occupied, it has fallen on some major hard times. The initial anchors were Sears, JCPenney's, Sanger Harris, and Titch's. The mall's decline really started during the mid-80s, when crime began to escalate, and in '88 the Parks Mall opened in Arlington, which also led to fewer shoppers at Redbird. During the mid-90s, there were attempts to renovate Redbird, and the name was changed to Southwest Center Mall. During the early 2000s, several of the stores closed, including a Dillard's, an Old Navy, and the mall eventually went into bankruptcy in 2008. So I actually used to live about 3 blocks away from this mall, and part of the reason why I wanted to do this video is because I feel like this mall is a great example of South Dallas resilience. The city of Dallas actually got involved with this project to help turn the mall around. There is a great community presence here, and through the duration of our visit we witnessed a lot of active renovation and several independently owned stores that seem to be thriving. Someone pissed in there. It's so nasty.
I think it's just the water.
Ew, don't touch it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.